Clearing your search history on Yahoo Mail can help maintain your privacy and declutter your account. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access the search bar. Once you are logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the Yahoo Mail interface. This is where you can see your recent searches. Step 3. Click on the search history. Click on the search bar to reveal a drop-down list of your recent searches. This list shows all the searches you have performed recently. Step 4. Clear individual searches. Hover over the search term you want to remove. You will see an X icon next to it. Click on the X to delete that specific search from your history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history, look for an option that says Clear All or Clear Search History in the drop-down menu. Click on it to remove all entries at once. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and clear your search history in Yahoo Mail. Regularly clearing your history can help keep your account organized and secure.